Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make tasty milk cake or Kalakand. This is a traditional Indian sweet that tastes very delicious and it doesn't take lot of ingredients to make. Before we get into today's video, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So to make the Kalakand or milk cake, in a heavy bottomed kadai, I have taken 2 liters of milk. Heat the milk on high flame until it comes to a boil. Keep stirring occasionally. Now, in the meantime, I am greasing and preparing my mold. Grease the mold well with oil or ghee. Here I am using ghee to grease my mold. Keep this aside. Now let's check on our milk. The milk has started to boil now. Keep stirring and keep boiling the milk. We have to keep boiling the milk until it reduces to more than half of its quantity. Keep stirring occasionally to avoid the formation of skin on the surface of the milk. And be careful, do not let the milk get scotched at the bottom of the vessel. It will take up to 30 minutes of time depending upon the quantity of milk and size of the vessel that you are using for the milk to reduce to half. Here you can see the milk quantity has reduced to half. Now keep boiling and keep stirring until it reduces furthermore. Let the milk boil and in the meantime let's prepare our coagulant. Here I have taken 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. To that I am adding 2 tablespoons of water. We need to coagulate the milk to get the granulated texture of the sweet. Now you can see the milk quantity has reduced to 1/3 portion. Reduce the flame to the lowest at this point and add in the prepared lemon juice. After adding the lemon juice, do not disturb for at least 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, increase the flame and keep stirring and keep boiling further to reduce the quantity. By adding lemon juice, we will get nice beaded texture or granulated texture of the sweet. After a minute or two, you can see nice small beads or small pearl-like granules in the milk. Keep boiling this mixture for 5 more minutes and after 5 minutes, let's add our sugar. Here I am using half cup of sugar. You can increase the quantity or decrease the quantity of sugar as per your taste. After adding the sugar will dissolve and it will liquefy furthermore, but keep cooking the mixture until all the moisture evaporates. After 10 more minutes of cooking on medium flame, you can see the mixture is starting to leave the pan and has thickened a lot. Now is the time to remove this from flame and pour into the greased mold. Be very careful as the mixture is very hot at this point. Spread this gently with the back of a spoon. Now we have to let this set for at least 10 to 12 hours before we start cutting into pieces. After 12 hours of sitting on the counter, our Kalakand is ready to be cut into pieces. Clear the sides with a sharp knife and cut into desired size and shape. You can flip this onto a board to demold. I have lifted the Kalakand pieces with a spatula and served them. Top the Kalakand pieces with some chopped nuts. I am using chopped pistachios. You can even use chopped cashew nuts and almonds. They go very well with this sweet too. Our very delicious and tasty Kalakand are ready to serve. Do try this tasty recipe at home. You need a lot of patience and time at hand to make this one. Do check out the recipe before you start making the sweet. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!